Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make your Twitter account private. So let's get into it. First of all, log into your Twitter account. Tap your profile photo at the top left corner. Go to Settings and Support. Then tap on Settings and Privacy on the menu. Select Privacy and Safety from the list of options. Tap Audience and Tagging. You'll see it at the top. Toggle the Protect Your Tweets switch to On. Your Twitter account is now private. Keep in mind that current followers will still be able to see your tweets even if you have a private account. But new followers will only be able to see your tweets if you approve them. By using these simple steps, you can protect yourself online by making sure that only those who you want to can access your tweets. And that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.